Supreme Court justice commits suicide, and there's this connection between him and one of his best friends who was arrested for sex trafficking, drugs, and other things. Let's put up a picture of the state Supreme Court Justice John L. Michalski. He died by suicide at his Amherst home Tuesday. Several sources confirmed 12 days after police executed a search warrant at his home. There's a lot of background to this story, a lot of twists and turns. The defense attorney, Terrence M. Connors, told the Buffalo News he received a call about the death late Tuesday morning and has been with the family at the Michalski home. It's heartbreaking, the attorney said. He was such a good guy. This just didn't have to happen. Connors said he was sick when he got the news, especially since he was with the judge last week and the justice's legal troubles seemed manageable. Now, I want you to understand the wording here, okay? The attorney said the legal troubles of the state's Supreme Court justice seemed manageable. I'm going to show you what legal troubles the attorney was talking about. We're not talking about some judicial review or an appellate court issue. We are talking about a massive criminal investigation that spanned for years into this justice. There's more. Federal and state law enforcement officers who have been investigating the judge for several years raided his home on March 24th, but no charges were filed against the judge or his wife at that time. The judge has been under public scrutiny since he suffered a serious leg injury back in 2021 when he was struck by a slow-moving freight train in what another judge said was actually a suicide attempt. The Buffalo News reported that the train incident occurred days after federal agents contacted the judge to question him about his friendship with Cheektowaga strip club owner Peter Garris Jr., a former client of the judge. So the judge, let's go back to this train thing, okay? The judge was actually struck by the train on the same day Garris, his friend, was arrested on felonies including drug trafficking, sex trafficking, bribing a federal drug agent, charges his friend has denied, okay? So what the narrative suggests is that in 2021, on the day that his friend was arrested for these charges, he attempted to kill himself. He was not successful based on the narrative. The friendship between the judge and Garris began decades ago when Michalski was in private practice and performed legal work for his friend's strip club, according to attorney Anthony J. Lana, who was also representing the judge. This judge has many attorneys, just so you know, has multiple lawyers. So the judge, Michalski, has also been under investigation by the State Commission on Judicial Conduct, which reviews complaints of ethical misconduct by judges. It is investigating whether Garris, his friend, paid the judge $5,000 in cash for performing at his wedding in 2014. That's actually